Hey, it's Wendy Gundry with Remax of Santa Clarita. And I need to show you something most sellers get completely wrong. And there's a stat that should change everything. 85% of buyers say that photos are the most important factor when looking at homes online. Not the price, not the location, but the photos. So think about it. When you're scrolling through listing, what makes you stop? It's that first photo. Listings with professional photography, obviously they get 61% more views and sell 32% faster. That's a huge difference. Twilight photos as your main image, they average 76% more views. But not all homes are great for twilight photos. Drone shots help your home stand out from every other listing in the neighborhood. And video, listings with video get an average of 403% more inquiries. Not 40%, 403%. That's huge. So here's the reality. In 2026, buyers have more options. They're pickier. And your listing has to stop the scroll. It's very important. If your first photo doesn't grab attention, buyers will never see your price, your square footage, nothing else. Your visual package is your first showing to that buyer. So we need to make it count. So if you're thinking about selling, let's talk about how to make your listing impossible to scroll past. I would love to help. Wendy Gundry, Remax of Santa Clarita. Reach out anytime.